So this is the new ICS-Touch II. So this is the first one in the world, complete touchscreen with the layout of the actual operating theatre. So this is simulating an operating theatre, and it can be custom configured to match whatever layout you have in your OR or procedure room. So as you operate the different, you see the red channels are showing an A and B channel, because all our safety systems are performance level E, which means dual channel, okay? Most other systems in the market today are operating with single channel only. They're not monitored, and they're not safe, and they're not compliant. Ours aren't just compliant, they're certified by external bodies. We have the only internationally compliant USA and European standard certified interlock system. Believe me, nobody else has one. So we're going to close all the open devices at the moment, so it's telling you which doors open. These are also configurable. They're multilingual, they can be in any language in the world. So the first one's saying the personnel door. So as you see, as I close the personnel door, the activation, both dual channels will activate. If you slightly open the door, you can see where the two channels will pick up and disable. In that safety system, there's also a monitoring device that if the time between each channel is longer than 1 second, it will go to mismatch. This means that the door is slightly ajar, or mechanically there's a problem with it. This is not a safe situation. Okay, now we have the fully auto door, and it comes with a sensor system. So this is self-closing, automated door. Same if I open it, go to push it, and it'll open automatically. So in a typical OR, you need an automatic double door. When you're pushing in the trolley, this door will open automatically as a double door. And when you're finished, you're coming back in, it will close automatically too. Again, with the Caiman window, a different dimension. This is a typical viewing panel of a normal medical door. This is a 200 by 800. And as you can see, when you disable it, as soon as you close it, make it laser safe. The channels then disable on the Caiman window to say it's been disabled. Caiman window number 4. Okay. Same with this one. Same functionality. Caiman window number 1. And now we're going to our sliding door solution. So these can be fully automatic, or they can be manual. Today the manual, just to show the functionality. And if you notice, they have the overlapping function where there's no rebate. The rebate is recessed, so the line of sight and the radiation coverage is 100%. The overlapping of the doors at the top and the bottom, and at the bottom, to eliminate any laser direction and also any radiation leakage. So we go now, all the doors are closed, as you can see on the interface, and we have 2 Caiman windows left to be closed. In the normal operation, these can also be fully automatic, okay? We have installations, many installations all over the world with fully automated. So from the surgeon's panel and from the ICS-Touch, you can automatically close all these doors and close all the windows as well. But we're just using the manual solution just to show you the functionality. Okay, so we're in a position now that the operator of the laser, which would most probably be the surgeon, or it could be the laser operator, it could be a robotic system. You need to put in the key switch, the key code. So now I can arm the system, because all the windows are closed. If somebody accidentally opens one of the systems to look in or looking out, you can see I can't arm the system. The blue light has disappeared. I can't arm the system. As soon as the safety is back in play, the arm light will appear, and now I can arm the system. So now the outputs have been generated. So outputs for lasers have all been activated, and then individually you can switch them on. So you can have up to 4 lasers or 4 devices outputting at any one time during the operation. So they could be X-ray, they could be lasers, they could be lots of other things. Obviously, bearing in mind, these windows are all future-proof. So they're designed for any wavelength of laser, okay? People misunderstand. Most medical lasers are configurable for different wavelengths, okay? And that's why most solutions you see out there today with filter film, with standard windows, are not compliant and they're dangerous. Okay, So now as you can see, we've got the light on inside and outside. Over every door you always have information to say the laser's on or X-rays on. If you want to disable it, you can hit the emergency stop system. Immediately all doors are unlocked and the e-stop sign is displayed. When you release the e-stop, you can arm the system again. Again, you have to go through the key code. But as you can see on the display, using the calm layout of the ICS-Touch, we're showing everything is in good condition and in green mode. Okay. So this is locked, it's magnetically locked. The only way you can get out is by overriding, which allows you to open the door and close it while the laser's on, or by using a safety device emergency exit. If you hit the safety device, as you notice, the laser is not switched off, or the X-ray is not switched off, and the reason why is because there's no dangerous situation now. It's only when I go to open the door, everything will switch off. There we are for today. Speak to you later. Bye.